Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on ConvertKit for beginners. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. Once you're logged into your ConvertKit dashboard, go to the Forms section. Click on Create Form and decide whether you want to build a form or a full landing page. Then customize it to match your brand. Add your logo, choose the fields you want subscribers to fill out, and make it your own. Next, let's set up an email sequence. Navigate to the Sequences section and click Create Sequence. This is where you'll design the automated emails that will be sent to your subscribers over time, helping you nurture leads or welcome new subscribers. If you want to send a one-time email to your list, head to the Broadcast section and click Create Broadcast. Write your email and then decide if you want to send it right away or schedule it for later. In the Automation section, you can create rules for what happens when someone subscribes. For example, you can automatically add them to your email sequence or apply tags for more personalized follow-ups. Before going live, be sure to test everything, your forms, sequences, and broadcasts to make sure they're working as expected. This ensures a smooth experience for your subscribers. Before we end this video, I want to invite you to a free training on building your email list while earning high-ticket commissions. My team and I have been using this method to make over $3,000 in commissions while growing our list for free. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, just click the link in the description to sign up. Thanks for watching.